Okay, you idiots, it's me, Kinghuman. Listen up. I'm already pissed off, so don't even start. Okay, here's what you're doing. Everybody wants to be an influencer. I want to be an influencer. Okay, well, there's a new way to do it and a new medium where you can be an influencer. And that's on Amazon. Amazon has a new influencer program, and you can make money being an influencer on Amazon. Oh, God, I'm losing it. I don't even want to make this. You know what? Here's the deal. I was going to show you guys the whole thing about how to do this Amazon influencer program, where to find it, how to get into it and all that, how to develop it. But you know what? I just don't want to do it. Do your own freaking research. I'm tired. I'm so fed up with making these videos and getting nothing but shit for it. I may be done making videos on YouTube. I may be done. I'm losing my mind here. It's gotten to the point where I just don't need to do it, and it just is a source of annoyance and irritation because people have become such fucking imbeciles and assholes and idiots. I gotta take a sip. I can't stand fucking idiots. And they just keep shitting out more idiots every fucking day. There's a new imbecile class. It's the imbecile class that we have in society now that makes me mental. Now, I know what some of you guys are probably thinking, oh, Kinghuman's throwing a hissy fit because somebody triggered him and said something about him. You know, look, here's the thing. I get people all the time making stupid comments, personal comments about how I look or whatever. Does not bother me. When somebody insults me personally, it does not bother me. Because why would I give 1/5 of a half-eaten shit about what some random stranger thinks about me? That's not it. I do not care about that shit. Here's what I care about. The imbeciles out there. I mean, to me, it is so depressing to see how fucking stupid society has become in general. That every time I see an absolute imbecilic statement or imbecilic comment, it depresses me. And it makes me angry. I've never seen things get this fucking bad. You know, it used to be stupid people knew they were fucking stupid, so they kept their mouth shut. Now the dumbest people are the loudest fucking people on the planet. And nobody can admit that they're fucking wrong ever. Everybody has to be fucking right about every fucking little thing. And they will yell and argue no matter how much they know they're in the wrong. They will tell you how right they fucking are. I can't take it. I can't take it. I can't take it. People are proud. Oh, I triggered Kinghuman. That's something to be proud of? Acting like a fucking imbecile? That's your achievement in life? Being fucking stupid? See, that's the kind of thing that triggers me. Not the fact that the guy called me a name or whatever. That doesn't bother me. But the fact that this imbecile takes pride in his stupidity, in his ignorance, in his imbecilic behavior, that's something to be proud of. You know, these people, they have no intellect, so they can't do anything intelligent. So they have to do something incredibly imbecilic, and that's the only thing they can achieve at, being an imbecile. Oh, I'm great at being an idiot. Ah! And they take pride in that. That's what drives me fucking crazy. I'm trying to help. I'm busting my ass trying to actually be of assistance to people. I wish there was a way I could sort the imbeciles from the people that really want to learn and really deserve to learn, because they want to advance themselves. They want to better themselves. They're into self-enlightenment, self-empowerment, all all the things that I believe in. But there's such an imbecile class out there that jump on board and immediately ruin everything. They just, you can't do anything. It's like being in the ocean, and there's the drowning person will glom onto you and pull you down with him and drown you because he's too stupid to know how to fucking swim. He's happy to drown you with him. I cannot... I gotta get the fuck out of here.